Hey, careful! That flower almost went everywhere. See? You've already got a little on your nose. Come on, don't just stand there. Help me with the sugar. No, not like that. The measuring cup, silly. Oops. I told you. I can't do anything perfectly tonight. Here, let me show you. No, don't move. That's my measuring cup. And now you've got frosting on your sleeve. Good God, we're a mess, but cute. It feels so soft, so warm. I love cooking with you, even when we make a mess. No, don't sneak a taste yet. Well, maybe just a little. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, watch out. I'm coming for you now. Hey, that's not fair. See, I told you. You can't beat me. Stop squirming. I'm serious. God, you're so soft. So beautiful. You know, I've been thinking about you all day. Even with all the party chaos earlier, I just wanted to get home and spend time like this with you. Mm. You taste like sugar and cinnamon. Do you want to help me decorate them? Careful. The frosting's thick today. Mm. Tastes better when we share. God, you're so distracting. I can't focus on the cookies. I love how silly we are together. Making a mess, laughing, touching. Mm. Sweet, just like you. I think maybe we should take a little break from baking. Yeah, just for a moment. I love nights like this. Just us, cozy, warm, a little messy. You know, I could kiss you right now and maybe not stop. Would you mind if I did? That's it. Don't stop. I love how your body feels against mine. Soft, warm, close. Be careful. I might make a mess. More than just the cookies. You're mine tonight. All mine. I love you so much. You're my favorite part of Christmas. My favorite part of every day. Tastes better when it's you. I think maybe it's time for the next part of our night.